In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ice chute door on your Whirlpool refrigerator. The ice chute door is located behind the user interface control board, and it consists of a motor and flap that opens when ice is being dispensed. If you need to buy a new ice chute door, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. On the bottom of the display are two locking tabs holding it in place. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the slots and gently push up and pry it towards you to release. Now, slide the display down, being careful as it's still connected by wires. Next, disconnect these three electrical connectors. The larger two can be removed by depressing the locking tab, while the smaller connector needs to first have the locking key removed. Now, remove the wires and water line from the retainers. Next, remove these three screws with a 1/4 inch nut driver. Now, disconnect the electrical connector on the right side by depressing the locking tab. Then, pinch these two retaining tabs towards each other to release the ice chute door from the fridge and slide it towards you. Now, remove the dispenser funnel guide by depressing the two plastic retaining tabs with the flat blade screwdriver. This may be difficult. When shopping for a new ice chute door, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Install the funnel guide by hooking the edge, rotating, and pushing until the tabs snap back in place. To install the ice chute door, insert at an angle, align, snap in place, and reinstall the screws. Then, reconnect the electrical connector and run the wires back through the retainer. Now, reinstall the dispenser end of the water line back into the retainers. To install the display, start by reconnecting the electrical connectors. Align and push until they snap back in place. Remember to reinstall the locking key on the small connector. Now, make sure all of the wires are tucked back into the opening. Insert the tabs on the display into the slots, rotate down, and snap back in place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.